Good morning, everybody. It's Thursday, July the 26th. My name is Sarah Louise, and you're watching Axiory's news broadcast. Let's begin with the technical analysis, and first is the euro-dollar. If price declines below daily pivot, we can expect further fall towards S1 support, and bottom could be formed above S2 support. On the upside, if it holds above daily pivot and rise will continue, it will focus on resistance R1 where further rise will be limited. Based on the conclusions for each indicator and chart analysis, we can expect a bearish trend today. Now let's move on to another currency pair with the dollar-yen analysis. Price is holding below daily pivot and current target remains at S1 support. Deeper decline towards S2 support will be indicating that consolidation is complete and downward movement is in favor. On the other hand, if price gains momentum, it could rise above daily pivot, but it will be limited by R1 resistance. The conclusion made by Axiory's chosen indicators shows a bearish trend today. After that, we have the sterling dollar's outlook. Price is declining from daily pivot, and if it falls below S1 support, it will open way towards support S2, where price could rebound and consolidation would be complete. But if price rebounds at current level, sideways movement will continue and price will probably break above daily pivot again, limited by resistance R1. The summary of our indicators shows a bearish trend today. Our last technical analysis is about the dollar-franc pair. If price holds below daily pivot, it will focus on support S1, but break below this level will be suggesting next target at S2 support. On the other hand, if price gains momentum, it could break above daily pivot but will be limited by R1 resistance. The vast majority of our indicators and chart analysis for the dollar-franc show a bearish trend today. Today's first news will be released at 9 a.m. GMT when ECB is going to publish figures about M3 money supply. We can expect a medium impact on the euro, and analysts are awaiting that supply will rise like in a previous month by 2.9%. Next, at 1:30 p.m. GMT, one of three statistics from the United States is going to be published. All three will have a high impact on the dollar, and the first will concern about core durable goods orders, which are expected to decrease from 0.7 to 0.1% rise. Second news is about unemployment claims. In a previous week, jobless claims increased to 386,000 people and now declined to 381,000 people is awaited. Third, and last news for today will be published at 3 p.m. GMT. National Association of Realtors will release data about pending home sales, which rose in a previous report to 5.9%. Today, analysts await significant slowdown to 0.6%. We have almost reached the end of our broadcast. You can now see on your screen three tables about the best traders and trading strategies on Axiory. GLIMC for Euro-Yen fell to third place with 999.4 pips, while GLIMC for Franc-Yen was able to jump to first place, rising 874.3 pips. TEO strategy remains at second place, unchanged from yesterday. FX multiplier was able to regain first position, adding 1.2% in monthly gain. Indie Euros, on the other hand, fell by 1.06%. Low Risk Invest at third place hasn't changed at all. LW Trading is still leading the board in Trade Leaders platform, followed by Joni Jiang, which was able to rise by 11% to almost 500%. On the other hand, Whitestone Asset remained at 303%, holding its third position. And on this date in 1951, Walt Disney's animated film Alice in Wonderland premiered in London. Thanks for watching Axiory's news broadcast. Have a profitable day and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.